What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another unboxing. This here is a Casio watch. I got it on Amazon Prime Day, and as you know, there's a affiliate link in the description to get yourself a nice little watch like this. This is the Casio MDV106-A, as it says right there. MDV106-1AV CF. This is the Submariner Killer. I'm not sure if you're familiar with the Rolex Submariner, but this is essentially the $30 version. First things first, it's a nice little watch. I gotta admit. First thing we gotta do is pull this little plastic sheet off so we get a much better view of the actual watch. As you can see, that looks much better. I'm going to throw up a picture of a Submariner right here so you can see what I mean. That's about $10,000. This watch here, I got it for 50 Canadian or 40 US. I haven't set the time, I haven't set the date, it's still running. This is the Casio Men's Black Analog Anti-Reverse Bezel watch, which this is the bezel right here. It only rotates one way. It's unidirectional. Casio seems to call it anti-reverse bezel. I'm gonna pull it out here in just a second. Place it on the floor for you. Just show you the packaging. It comes in this little display plastic thing. Some papers inside. I think this is the watch manual, user guide. That's stuffed right in there. For anyone trying to resell their watch, keep it in like perfect condition. This is the limited warranty card right here. It goes right in there just like that. I should mention, watch I have on wrist right now, the tag, professional. I have never shown that on YouTube videos before, or I've never talked about it. I've shown it several times. Here's the Casio watch again. Great timepiece if you ask me. Very excited to have it. This is a Japanese quartz movement, black stainless steel case. It's a black dial with a stainless steel case, excuse me. Date window at the 3 o'clock position, conventional on a Submariner. There's markers on the hour hands, and I believe they glow in the dark at nighttime. It's water resistant to 200 meters, as you can see. It says that right there. It's a diver's watch, and what's really notable is that it has a 22mm lug size, because not very many people like to wear it with this strap. Gonna open up the watch here. Water resistant 20 bar stainless steel, Japanese movement, cased in China. Some information about the watch and the battery right there, I believe. 2784 MDV106. It's got some nice weight to it. Let's set the time together and see if we can do this on our own without too much of an issue. So I believe the time 6:52 and it's the 15th, so let's just open this up here. I believe it's a locking crown, so you have to unscrew it, screw down crown, which is kind of nice. As you can see, we have the time showing up correctly on the watch. We're going to lock down the crown by just pushing it and turning it to the right or clockwise. A great little watch here. Here's some B-roll. Let me know what you think of it in the comment section below. If you like it, check out the Amazon affiliate marketing link to get yourself one. It's a pretty nice watch. You can also find good deals on watches on Amazon. There's also a StockX affiliate marketing link to get yourself a Submariner, in case this is not close enough to your budget, I guess. This is too cheap for your budget. Here's the watch. Quite glorious if you ask me for the money. Great timepiece. Gonna throw it on my wrist here. As you can see, it looks really nice. Just tightening this bracelet here. Not too tight. As you can see, watch looks great. Definitely check it out on Amazon. Get yourself one. Awesome timepiece. Gonna tighten it up a little bit. Actually, I do prefer the bands to be a little bit tighter, so. Here's the watch on wrist. Incredible timepiece. Check it out on Amazon. Links in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.